Morning. It is. What day is it? Is it Friday? Thursday. It's Thursday today, and we are on day 4. Day 4. We are leaving for Ilha Grande, or however you say it, at 10:30. It is 4:20 to 9. So we're just packing up everything. Jack didn't get back till 5:30, so that's him right now in there.
And we decided, well, not we, I was in bed by 8 o'clock last night. We've both got a not dodgy stomach, but we're not feeling 100%, so hopefully that just clears. So yeah, we're going to pack up, make some breakfast, and yeah.
Yeah, this is the bit I hate the most about travelling, actually unpacking, repacking, and going somewhere new. But yeah, let's go.
So we managed to get Jack up.
Just.
Is there more fur? Do we sleep in there?
Ish. A little bit.
But he looks like absolute dog shit. We're just waiting for the bus, and we've just booked our flights to the falls for a couple of days' time. But until then.
Right, we're going. We're off. Just fit into
my
the
bag.
door.
I'm very top heavy.
We're trying to get into the van now without getting run over or losing shoes or anything. Into that one. Hello.
Hello. We're just on the bus to Ilha Grande. Jack's. I think Jack's okay. We're not really sure. Jack, how you feeling? Huh? How you feeling?
Amazing. I can't say that, can I?
So we're just, you can't even really see out the window, but we're driving. We'll talk to you when we get there.
We're at the gas station for a half an hour stop. Not been too bad so far. Me and Jack have just slept, to be honest.
Oh, not me.
It's really friggin' cold on there though, so we'll see. Hopefully it's not much longer before we get to the place where we get the ferry. We'll, never know. So I end up getting something, a staple diet, which seems to be, he seems to be getting a freaking Coke everywhere. Even though I don't even drink Coke at home. So it's one of those drinks which is just great when it's cold. So yeah, staple diet, Kinder Bueno and a Coke. And Hannah's just in there, I'm pretty sure she just got a Coke and a Kit Kat. Jack's got some chips. Yeah. You frothing?
I kind of do want to party.
This is just where we're getting the ferry, eh?
Yeah.
We've still got to get the ferry over to the island, but I mean, this looks mad.
This is not even the island.
I know.
And I already know how I feel about it all.
Like
Holy
it?
crap.
Just a ferry ride left. I've already taken travel sickness tablets, so hopefully I don't get ill. And we're off. Living the life. Wind in your hair.
Welcome.
Just did it.
To Ilha Grande.
Well, we're here, nearly. The water looks so glossy. It looks so beautiful. I hope it stays nice weather because it's meant to be. Yeah, it's super horrible weather that way, so I think the thunderstorm is probably going to come. But otherwise, place looks very nice. We'll probably end up staying there today and skip Parate.
Yeah, I highly
Agree. This place looks unreal. I'm so excited. I want to be that lady. We'll probably go eat over there or something. We just need to go find a hostel to stay in. I think we're going to try and stay in Biergarten. Looks super nice and it has really nice breakfast apparently, so we'll see.
no, I honestly can't hold my excitement right now.
Oh, there's a hostel with hammocks and stuff. That's cute. So we've just got to the hostel. Me and Hannah are in an all-female dorm, the top two. Apparently it's like a holiday, so it's like super busy on the island at the moment, but this room is super nice. Like, so you've got the room and you've got these huge lockers, which is exactly what we want. Blanket. And then in here is the bathroom. These shower heads are ridiculous. And then you have a toilet. So we're super happy. We're gonna go get some food.
Right, so we're here in Ilha Grande. We've got into our hostel and now we just want to cool down in the beach, and then we're going to go somewhere for dinner, a nice restaurant. So this is kind of what the streets look like. Beautiful little restaurants, and we're going to find some nice food because I feel like we haven't really had some good food in a while. There we go. Yeah, so
Anna,
what?
all the rocks.
Yeah, they love the sweet treats.
How are they inside?
Yeah. Right, we're gonna head to the beach. We'll see you there.
This place is magical. I'm getting super hungry, but it looks unreal. It's really weird sound though, like you just fully sink in it. Oh god, the water is actually so warm. I want to put my hair up, I think. How deep are you there? Oh my god! Oh, it goes in like... God, it gets super deep there.
Camera this. That's really neat.
Living the island life. Whoa, it really drops off there. Ah! It is.
Why does it sound like so sinking?
I know. So nice.
And if this is just like an average, like,
I really hope there's no thunderstorms, because if this is what our day is going to be like, it's going to be so beautiful. Just have to try and show you the sunset. You probably won't be able to see it as much on here, but oh, it looks amazing. This place is so nice. Look at this bad boy. Jesus. It's like the size of my head.
It's only a little bit bigger than a plane.
Oh, but it looks huge. It came in, I was like, what the hell is that?
How much is fine? Like 5 to 6 euros?
We're just in a kebab place, so we're gonna get some food and then go drink. Stop it. You have no idea how excited I am. So we just came back, oh look at the light. So we just came back from dinner, we just freshened up, and now we're gonna go out for some...
we're gonna try and
drinks.
drink because the past couple nights we haven't been very good at it.
We're gonna be good at it tonight, I promise.
Fingers crossed.
Nah, we will be. So, yep. Wearing all black, as usual. Typical outfit, but ready. Look at this. This is good. Bum bag. Bam! Travel skills.
Pouch. Bam.
She's got the pouch of the gods. Oh! Yeah, we probably won't have any time to record later, so thank you for watching our journey to Ilha Grande. I'm so stoked to be here. We both love island life.
I thought you were going to say, I'm Amy Morgan, this is hannahaliceee. Have a good night.
Peace.
Mwah.
Bye.